In this video, I'll show you how to use Supabase MCP in Cursor step by step. First, go to the Supabase website and open the official MCP documentation. Supabase explains that the MCP server connects tools like Cursor to your project so they can work with databases, tables, configuration, and queries. Now, inside the documentation, look for the MCP installation and setup section. The official guide shows security steps, client setup, and how to connect the client to your Supabase project. After that, open Cursor. In Cursor, go to the MCP client configuration area and choose Supabase as the integration. Supabase lists Cursor as one of the supported MCP clients. Now follow the commands and examples shown in the official docs. Supabase provides ready-to-use examples, requirements, commands, and configuration details to help with setup. When Cursor asks for authentication, complete the authorization flow. Supabase says MCP now uses OAuth by default, so in many cases you approve the connection in your browser instead of pasting a manual token. After that, Cursor will be able to use MCP to access your Supabase project resources.